Smug Seagull by Maddie Frost, published by Scholastic. Nobody swipes snacks like me. Don't waste your time looking at the boring copyright stuff. For Dad, the copyright is 2020. Smug Seagull. If you want to see something exciting, watch this. By Maddie Frost, published by Scholastic Incorporated. Swipe. Get a good look, because I just so happen to be the best snack swiper from shore to shore. That's a fact. Keep off rocks. Being the best means I got guts. I strike while the sun is hot, if you know what I'm saying. Swipe, Chippy's chips, sour cream and onion. Are you keeping up? Because I'm just getting started. Swipe, 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 swipe. Walk with me. Talk with me. Being the best is a big deal. I got my name in lights. Attention, please do not feed seagulls. I got my name in the sky. The Seagull Grill, now open. Wicked good chowder. People come from miles away to capture my beauty. The fans go crazy when I'm around. Arf, 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 arf. I even have my own signature dance move. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, yeah. With one of these and these, hop up one time. Oh, slide to the right, all in the core. Time to bring it home and splat. Scurry, scurry, scurry. Say, short stuff, that's one scrumptious-looking French fry you got there. Mind if I have a, let me take a, flip, flip, flip. Hey, look, a rainbow. Swipe. Like I always say, you gotta be tough. You gotta be pop. Swipe. All right, listen up, short stuff. Nobody, I mean nobody, swipes from me. Don't you know who I am? Didn't you read my sign? Well, pal, I just so happen to be the flip. Stomp, 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 stomp. Oh, no, you don't. Stretch. All right, we got ourselves a situation. Now it's time to get serious. Stretchy, stretch. A big, I don't think so. Plunge. Zip, 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 zip. Keep out. Ah! Sand. I love you, sand. Yum, yum, yum. Ahem. I got a cramp in my wing, see? And I stubbed my toe, see? So I'll just swipe myself another snack. Yeah, because I can swipe anything I feel like. No doubt about it. Swoosh, oof, ah, spritz, swish, eek, woof, woof. I've lost my swipe. I've lost my swipe to a crab. This is the end. Goodbye, signs. Goodbye, fans. Goodbye, special lookout tower handcrafted just for me. I'll have to move to a lake and eat soggy breadcrumbs with ducks. I don't want to hang out with ducks. Well, if it isn't Mr. Fancy Legs, you got a lot of nerve coming around my neck of the beach. And another thing, gasp, a tiny human. Munch, munch, munch. Crunchy, crunch, crunch. Back, away, slowly. They can be very unpredictable. If this thing comes any closer, get ready to run! Hi, Krabby. Would you like a cheese puff? Snap, snap. Here you go. Bye-bye, nice Krabby. Smooch. Short stuff, you're a genius. Hi, could we please have some? Thanks. Nice sandcastle. If you don't want the crust, we'll be right here. We like lying on our bellies too, and crackers. You know, you got guts, little pal. Is it all right if I call you little pal? With your charm and my one-of-a-kind good looks, we make a great team, maybe even the best. So just stick with me and you'll go places, no doubt about it. Time to turn on that charm, little pal. They're busting out the marshmallows. Maddie Frost is the creator of Wakey Birds, Once Upon a Zzz, and Animalbiles, and the illustrator of Little Hugs from Little Loves, and A is for Artichoke, among others. She hopes smug seagulls everywhere learn something from this book, as she once had an entire sandwich swiped by a seagull at the beach. She was certain it smiled and waved as it flew away with her lunch. When Maddie is not dodging birds, she writes and makes art at home in Boston. The sneakiest seagull on the beach meets his match.